Ooh. Junk. Junk. The airplane's upside down. Greta Hoovius?
Your teenage son or daughter will think this wishbone necklace is really cool.
I doubt my son or daughter is that stupid.
What the hell's this?
Melvin and the Swirls, part of the rodent invasion of the early 60s.
Bart, look! It's Dad! Dad, when did you record an album?
I'm surprised you don't remember, son. It was only 8 years ago.
Dad, thanks to television, I can't remember what happened 8 minutes ago.